Welcome back to another video. Today we have a killer smoking deal on this installation driver. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube wrestle platform, by subscribing and like, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got a killer deal on this installation driver. If you guys don't know what this thing is, this thing's pretty much like a universal tool. You can do whatever you want with it. You can get it into corners, cabinets, install even the IKEA furniture, whatever you want to do, professional level tool work. You can use this installation driver. This is a killer deal. All right, guys, so I'll leave the link down below in the description section. This is the M12 fuel 12-volt lithium brushless 4-in-1 installation 3/8-inch driver kit with 4 tool heads, $229. If you guys look at down here, you guys are going to get the free option. Oh, and big shout out to my man Robert at the Facebook group. Or actually, at the Facebook. He's not at the Facebook group, but he's in the Facebook, and he actually sent me a message about this, letting me know what's up. So what you do is you select the ratchet as the free tool. You go down here to the free selector item right there on the tool. You select that. You add both to cart. Alright, once you add it to the cart, guys, $90 for the ratchet, guys. You can't get a better deal on this. $90.27 for the ratchet. That's an even great deal. So definitely check it out. Which is even a better deal, guys. This is a smoking deal here. $138.73. Go get them, guys. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Like I said, big shout out to my man Robert at the Facebook for letting us know about this deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.